How do children celebrate birthdays in your country?
Uh, in past, people really don't like to celebrate birthdays due to their religious omens. But nowadays, as westernization is growing in my country, people used to like birthday in a party manner.
Okay, this is a good answer. Keep it up, right? How did you celebrate your last birthday?
Actually, during my last birthday, I was busy doing some business outside the city, but my family celebrated my birthday at the place of me.
Okay, what kind of birthday gifts do you like to receive?
I like to receive any of thing like from ornamental things to cosmetics things, and some wearable items like watches and oil-free moisturizer,
All right,
especially.
you need to add more energy to your voice and speak actively. Confused?
No.
Come on. Is there a difference between the way you celebrated your birthday in the past and you do it at present?
At past, especially people don't have
People didn't.
people didn't have technology access. That's why they celebrate
They
they
celebrated.
used to
They
celebrate
used
it.
to celebrate.
Yeah, used to
Celebrate.
celebrate birthday in simple way. But nowadays, westernization is growing in my country. People used to celebrate it in a quite westernization.
People tend to celebrate their birthdays in quite Western manner.
Yeah.
So it's different now. All right. Your answers are good, but I don't know what's the reason that you are not speaking openly and you're not expressing yourself freely.
Yeah.
So try to express yourself freely, right?
Yeah.
That'll be better. Thank you.